When sirens wailed through American streets, these mechanical lifesavers answered the call. We're counting down the top 10 American ambulances from the 1950s to the 1990s. Vehicles that revolutionized emergency care with groundbreaking engineering and unwavering dedication. Can you guess which one changed everything? Let's find out. Number 10. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the 1950 Cadillac Ambulance. Built on the legendary Series 75 frame, this was a statement of luxury meeting life-saving purpose. Under the hood sat a commanding V8 engine, pumping out 160 horsepower, paired with a smooth 3-speed manual transmission. The extended wheelbase created a good space inside, making it perfect for medical equipment and patients. But here's what made it special. The interior design held a secret that would influence ambulance layouts for decades. Custom-configured attendant seats and built-in storage cabinets were strategically positioned for maximum efficiency, revolutionary thinking for 1950. High-quality materials ensured smooth rides even during life-or-death emergencies. The exterior featured that iconic, long, sleek Cadillac design, painted brilliant white for instant recognition. Emergency lights and sirens crowned the roof, announcing its urgent mission to everyone within earshot. The Cadillac name became synonymous with reliability and emergency services. This ambulance proved that function and prestige could coexist, setting a standard that competitors would chase for years. Luxury was impressive, but America also needed something tougher, simpler, and everywhere. Number 9. The 1950 Chevrolet panel van ambulance version earned its reputation through pure dependability. With approximately 90 horsepower and options for manual or automatic transmission, this workhorse served communities across America. The 116-inch wheelbase provided remarkable stability, but there was something else that made this van truly special. Its design concealed a versatility that would make it a community icon beyond emergency services. The panel van's simple, adaptable design allowed for quick modifications. It could transform from ambulance to delivery vehicle to mobile workshop. This flexibility made it indispensable to small-town America. Inside, practical bench seats accommodated medical staff and patients, constructed from durable materials built for the rigors of emergency work. The exterior's boxy, classic shape, usually painted in bright, attention-grabbing colors, made it unmistakable on any street. Today, collectors treasure these vans for their timeless style and bulletproof reliability, cementing their place in automotive history. And while reliability mattered, style and prestige were about to enter the emergency scene. Number 8 brings us the Mercury Ambulance, a vehicle that blended unique style with serious functionality. The 1950s Mercury featured a robust V8 engine and a spacious cabin that comfortably accommodated stretchers, medical personnel, and critical equipment. The extended body design showcased shiny two-tone paint and durable metal construction. But Mercury's real innovation wasn't immediately visible. This ambulance represented an evolutionary leap that would redefine what emergency vehicles could be. Mercury transformed from basic transport into mobile clinics capable of delivering advanced care en route to hospitals. This wasn't just evolution, it was revolution on wheels. The Mercury brand's reputation for quality and style elevated it to prestige status among hospitals. Today, these vehicles remind us of mid-20th century design excellence, when every curve and chrome detail mattered. As emergency care evolved, one radical design shift changed everything forever. Number 7. Lucky number 7, the Ford Econoline Ambulance. This game-changer started with a 144 cubic inch inline-six engine, later offering 170 and 240 cubic inch options, eventually including powerful V8 choices. The spacious interior could handle up to 4,200 pounds of equipment effortlessly. Emergency lights provided excellent visibility, but the real revolution was underneath. Ford made one radical design decision that would forever change ambulance architecture. The Econoline relocated the engine to a short hood up front, abandoning the traditional long hood design. This forward control layout maximized interior space while maintaining maneuverability. That distinctive boxy exterior provided durability and interior volume that previous designs couldn't match. With over 8.2 million units sold, the Econoline became one of history's best-selling vans, famous for reliability and versatility throughout the 50s and 60s. And that innovation didn't just influence ambulances, it reshaped an entire industry. Hey, if you're loving this countdown of American ambulance history, smash that subscribe button right now. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into automotive legends. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Number 6. The Dodge A100 from 1964 to 1970 introduced America to forward control design brilliance. This innovative layout placed the driver directly above the front wheels, creating a compact exterior with a surprisingly spacious interior. Engine options included slant six engines at 170 and 225 cubic inches, plus V8 variants that balance power with fuel efficiency. Available in 90-inch or 108-inch wheelbases with an overall length of 171 inches. But what made paramedics fall in love with it? Well, the A100's interior configuration solved a critical problem that had plagued earlier ambulance designs. The flat front end and easy back area access meant paramedics could reach patients and equipment instantly, no awkward climbing or crawling. Response times improved dramatically. The practical bench seat design accommodated driver and passenger comfortably, while the rear transformed into a mobile emergency room. Decorated with emergency signage and lights, the A100's flexibility allowed it to serve multiple roles like ambulance, utility vehicle, or camper. Its dependable city street handling made it famous, appearing in countless TV shows and movies of the era. Compact efficiency was great, but sometimes emergencies demanded brute strength. Number 5. Halfway through our countdown at number 5, we have the mighty Chevrolet Suburban. This powerhouse combined strength with remarkable adaptability, featuring inline-six or V8 engines like the 283 and 327 cubic inch variants. The interior accommodated up to 9 people with foldable or removable seats, perfect for patients in medical gear. Factory air conditioning and Deluxe heaters added comfort, but the Suburban's real strength lay deeper. One design feature made this ambulance capable of reaching emergencies other vehicles simply couldn't. The traditional boxy design with ladder-style frame and high ground clearance meant the Suburban conquered any terrain, urban streets, rural roads, or off-road emergencies. Nothing stopped it. Built with an all-metal body designed for longevity, the Suburban's versatility, dependable performance, and place in American automotive history secured its iconic status across multiple decades. But while versatility ruled the roads, an era was quietly coming to an end. Number 4. Number 4 takes us to the 1970s with the legendary Cadillac Meteor Ambulance. These vehicles commanded respect with massive V8 engines, delivering 345 horsepower through smooth automatic transmissions. Weighing approximately 6,000 pounds with fuel economy around 7 to 8 miles per gallon, these were serious machines. The long body design featured eye-catching colors like white mixed with flamboyant red. But there was something historic happening here. The Meteor represented the end of an entire era in emergency vehicle design. These were among the last car-based ambulances before the industry shifted to larger van and truck platforms. They marked the final chapter of a distinctive design philosophy that had defined decades. Inside, sturdy carbon vinyl seats, crisp white headliners, and brick pattern flooring created professional environments. Built on Cadillac's famous commercial chassis, they delivered toughness and comfort in equal measure. As one chapter closed, a new cultural icon rolled into service. Number 3. Available with inline-six or V8 engines in both manual and automatic transmissions, these vans weighed 4,000 to 4,500 pounds. The boxy shape created an abundant interior room perfect for emergency crews. Customizable interiors adapted for passengers or medical equipment, constructed from tough materials built to last, but their impact went beyond emergency services. These vans became symbols of something much larger than their medical mission. During the counterculture era, these Chevrolet vans became cultural icons representing freedom and adventure. That simple design with the noticeable grille and bright colors like sunset orange made them instantly recognizable and absolutely beloved. Their dependability and flexibility established them as go-to ambulances while simultaneously capturing the spirit of an entire generation. The 1980s demanded tougher, faster, and more purpose-built machines. Number 2. Known for robust construction and flexibility, the Vandura typically featured a 5.7-liter V8 engine with approximately 177 horsepower and rear-wheel drive for superior load handling. Measuring about 202 inches long and weighing roughly 4,123 pounds, it provided ample space for medical gear and staff. The practical interior featured flexible layouts for efficient supply storage, but one feature made it perfect for emergencies. The Vandura's exterior design incorporated 3 elements that save precious seconds during critical moments: a strong body, wide doors for lightning-fast patient loading, and strategically placed emergency lights. Every second counted, and the Vandura's designers understood that perfectly. Its dependability and versatility made it a top choice for 1980s emergency services. Beyond ambulance duty, it adapted into cargo vans and recreational vehicles, proving its exceptional design flexibility. And after decades of evolution, one ambulance perfected it all. Number 1. And the number 1 American ambulance is the Chevrolet Express from the 1990s. This champion earned its crown through powerful engineering and intelligent design. Engine options range from a 4.3-liter V6 to multiple V8 variants, delivering 145 to over 300 horsepower through a reliable 4-speed automatic transmission. The dimensions tell the story. Approximately 238 inches long, 79 inches wide, and nearly 7 feet high, massive interior space for medical equipment and personnel. But what made it the ultimate ambulance? 3 specific qualities elevated the Express above every competitor. First, highly efficient interior design providing instant access to medical supplies and stretchers. Second, a more streamlined shape than predecessors, improving handling and fuel economy. Third, unmatched dependability and flexibility at a budget-friendly price point. Emergency services chose the Express because it could be tailored to specific needs while remaining tough enough for demanding daily use. It represented the pinnacle of decades of ambulance evolution, the perfect blend of power, space, efficiency, and reliability. From Cadillac luxury to Chevrolet practicality, these 10 ambulances saved countless lives while pushing the boundaries of automotive innovation. So here's my question for you. Which of these legendary ambulances would you want responding to your emergency? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through ambulance history, please subscribe to our channel and hit that thumbs up button. Also, watch our previous video on top 10 most famous monster trucks in the history of America. It's something you will enjoy for sure. Until next time.